means end of this chapter. So we already learned weight, and I have already given you a question to calculate the weight. Clear? So what was that? 18 kg. 18 kg. Correct?
Ma'am, 80 kg.
80 kg. Okay. So weight can be calculated with what equation, children? You must have learned it. Weight of the person can be calculated by using which equation?
mg.
Mg. So what I have given G, did I give you G as something? 9.8 or something like that?
9.8.
Yeah. Okay. Now, tell me what is the answer you got? Mass is 80, 9.8. Those who did not do, just now you do. If you want to repeat the question, calculate the weight of the person who is having 8 kg.
Ma'am, we done that Earth to Moon that problem. The mass of the Earth is 6 into 10, 24 kg. That we done that mass to Earth.
Ma'am, 72.40.
That's a technical problem. Okay, tell me, did you find out? Those who did not write that question, please write. Calculate the weight of the person having mass 80 kg. 80 into 9.8. Find out.
Ma'am, we done that problem that Earth moved to Earth.
72.40.
How much?
72.40.
72.40. All got the answer? Or only some people are doing? Everyone want to do. Krishna, give me answer. Lena, I think you must have done. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Did you get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show?
Can you show?
Question.
Okay, question. Question is, I will tell you. You write. Calculate the weight of a person having mass 80 kg. So 80 kg, that means mass into acceleration due to gravity. So 80 into 9.8. So if you want to do very simple, you can 9.8 into 8.
Calculate the weight of a person.
Weight of a person is, calculate the weight of a person whose mass is 80 kg. Whose mass is 80 kg.
I want to multiply.
Yes. 80 into 9.8. Everyone do, because I will be giving you more problems because of that. And I have sent the notes yesterday for last 2 chapters, including gravitation and work and energy.
Photocopy.
You can do the photocopies, no problem. And gravitation, you have very less topic. And children, you will have descriptive exam in second term, because you are going to be the 10th standard. So that I will be informed, but there will be 2 descriptive exams. There will be term 2 exam, and after term 2 exam, you will have 2 descriptive exams. Everyone should have notes with you. Don't tell me that time, ma'am, please send that notes, this note. I will not send it. Because every day we are sending well in advance all the notes. So you have January and February 2 descriptive descriptive exam before you are entering into the 10th standard. Okay. So January, February will be full revision for you for the exams. Term 2 exam is there. Apart from this, 2 descriptive, 50 marks paper. In that 5 marks question, 3 marks question, 2 marks question, everything will be there. So don't simply, don't take it easily. Is that only MCQ test? Why we should have the printer notes and all. Everyone should have the printer notes. And there's a project is coming up for you to complete. Art integrated project. That and all the teachers will be communicate to you regarding
I-
that. Okay.
But we can do photocopy of the notes.
Yeah. Whatever I send the printer notes, you can take the photocopy. Because 9th standard, it is allowed. Okay. But problems and all, I will not be given. I did not give in that printer note. Only the notes I have given. Problems, while we do in the class, you have to do it. Okay. Yes. Okay, Fisan, did you get the answer? I am waiting for you. How much you got?
77.0.
77?
6.0.
76.6. Is that? Okay, that is over. So now we are moving on to difference between. Did you learn the difference between mass and weight?
Yes.
Did you learn?
A difference, take difference.
Okay. Now we are moving on to the last topic. Difference between mass and weight. Already in the note I have given all the differences. So we just explain. So difference between mass and weight. The first difference is the definition of the mass. I already you know what is weight. What is weight, children? What is weight?
kg.
Kg is the SI unit, not the weight definition. Nabil, what do you mean by weight? Last class we taught, we have learned it. What is weight? What's that?
Mass of the object.
No, no.
Weight of the object. Weight.
I am asking you definition of that. What do you mean by
Quantity
weight?
of a object.
No, that is mass. That is mass. Quantity of object is mass. We are talking about which chapter? What is the name of our chapter? What's the name of our chapter?
Gravitation.
Gravitation. So what is weight?
Gravitation.
Weight is the force due to gravity. Weight is the force due to gravity. So already the note is there. So if you want, I can give you again here. So you have mass here, weight here. Okay. First one, mass is the quantity of a matter. If you take a table, how much is the particles in the table? It is a quantity of a matter or an object. Matter or an object which occupies space. Which occupies space. While weight is the gravitational force. It is the gravitational force acting on an object. Acting on an object by the earth. So how much force the earth is acting? So the product of that, mass and that is known as the weight. Or we can write simple way, we can say it is force due to gravity. Second point, mass is a vector, mass is a scalar quantity. Mass is a scalar quantity while weight is a vector quantity. Mass means there is no direction. If you say mass of a football, but weight of the football we can say, because why? Weight of an object always act in downward direction. It has direction. It has not only magnitude, it has also direction, because it always acting downwards, because earth is pulling it towards the center. That is why weight is acting towards or acting downwards. So that is the reason it is a vector quantity. Mass has no that kind of direction. Okay, so gravitational force always acting vertically downwards. Very important point for MCQ also. In which direction gravitational force act? It always act vertically downwards. Third one, mass remains same. Mass remains same or constant. Constant everywhere. Mass remains constant or same. It does not change. Whether you go to moon, whether you go to Mars, there also, here also same. But weight changes. Weight changes. Weight changes from place to place. Why it is changing? Because gravitational force in different places is different. Gravitational force is different in different. So there can be question asked. Why does the weight of an object change everywhere? So you should give me the answer. This is because gravitational force acting on an object changes. So if you talk about the moon, our gravity is 1/6 of earth gravity. If you go to moon, your weight will be 1/6 of your earth weight. Suppose you have 100 Newton now, but when you go to moon, your weight will be 100/6. So that is 1/6 of earth gravity, or 9.8/6. So both different ways we can act. Either 100/6. Suppose your weight is 100, then on the moon it will be 100/6. Otherwise 1/6, 9.8/6. So whatever you get that quantity, I think 9.8 you will get 1/6 something. So multiply this quantity with that while you go to moon. Same thing changes in the Mars. Mars, we are telling that there is 38% of earth atmosphere is there. 38% of earth atmosphere on Mars. But still gravitational force is less. Okay, so that is what. So weight changes. Next point, that is our fourth point. Unit. Don't confuse with the unit and that. Okay, so SI unit of mass, as Fizan said, it is kg, and here SI unit is Newton. You remember Newton. Last point, how can we measure the mass? We know whenever we go to the shop, with what we used to measure half kg sugar and all, what you call for it?
Measure.
What do you call for the device?
Measurement.
Measurement. What is the name of that?
Scale.
Scale. Okay. Someone is saying something else. Tell me.
Scale.
It's not scale. Did you measure the sugar with the scale, Fisan?
That name I don't know.
Balance, digital balance. Okay. Olden times we have physical balance. Now we have digital balance. If you go to supermarket and all, you buy vegetable, you buy some things, they will put it in a digital balance. So olden times we have that TRAS. You remember the TRAS? So that was our physical balance. Nowadays we don't see that. We can have a digital balance. Anyway, when you study, we will use the word physical balance. Yes?
What is physical balance?
Fizan, have you seen when you go to the shop, some of the shops, they measure fish and all, they measure with the one kind of
Racing up.
racing up. So this is physical balance. Correct? So nowadays, if you go to supermarket and anywhere, they will use the digital balance. Okay. So, but the fish market still they use all these things. So measured by physical balance. And here it measured by spring balance. Here it is measured by spring balance. Usually when I was in the class school, I usually make you to measure the weight of some objects as an activity. Now we can't do it. So usually I take the spring balance, the lab, and I make you to do this activity. So till last batch and all, I have done it. Measuring a weight of a particular object using the spring balance. So now at present we don't have that. We can't show. Okay, only internet you can see the spring balance. Okay, children. So that's about the differences between mass and weight. And we also have learned that the fall of an object. So difference between mass and weight is over. Last point we have to study from this chapter is free fall. What do you mean by free fall? Free fall from itself, you know, falling freely. Falling freely. Okay. So falling freely means without any external force, an object should fall. Now someone pushes you, then you will fall. That is not a free fall. Okay. That we are applying an unbalanced force. But free fall means fall of objects due to gravitational force. Only earth gravitational force is there, no other thing. For example, you can see the dry leaves. Dry leaves, it's not necessary that you have to go and shake. Once the leaves are dried, it will fall by itself. So it is a free fall. Okay. Now a mango which is ripe. Even sometimes there is no breeze, but still it fall. Sometimes they say because of the breeze mango fall. No. Mango, 1 or 2 will fall in the absence of wind. When during the rainy season, when there is a wind, you can see the mangoes will fall like many. But otherwise, 1 mango in a day, when it get ripe, April and month of May, and we get ripe, mangoes are falling from our trees. So that is free fall. Okay. So what is free fall? The fall of objects due to gravity. There is no other forces. Only earth is making to fall. So that is known as free fall. Okay, children. So we will do some problem and then we finish. So this chapter is over. Next class onwards, we are starting the last chapter, work energy. All of you take the printed notes by this week. So 1 class in a week. So you see, should not forget. So let us do the first problem. I already told you the weight of the object, how can we measure? Already you have done 1 or 2. Only 2, 3 more examples we will do. So before winding up our session. Okay, so first question, please write down all of you. Mass of an object is 10 kg. Mass of an object is 10 kg. What is its weight? What is its weight on Earth and on Moon? You have to find out 2 things. What will be its weight on Earth? What will be its weight on Moon? So first we will find out. So bracket G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So what is the equation of the weight? Tell me, Rohan, what is the equation of weight? Weight of object on earth. What's the equation of weight?
Ma'am, I know.
Hmm?
G is equal to ma.
That is mass into acceleration. Today what we learned? Today
Newt-
we are today we are learning gravitation, no? So tell me that equation. Beginning you did one problem. What is that, Fizan?
Ma'am, moon, that moon.
Huh?
Ah,
What? Tell me.
G is equal to.
No. What
Ma'am,
is my question? Weight of the object, Fizan. More.
Weight is
Beginning
equal to
you
mg.
did one problem. What is that? Weight is equal to.
Mg.
calculate the weight of a person, how
Ah,
mass is
ah.
80.
So what is the equation of it? What did you do?
Weight is equal to mg.
That's the one. Did you get, Fizan?
Yes, ma'am.
Weight means mass into G. So all of you do very simple. Mass is given 10 into 9.8. You don't have to multiply. You can tell by itself now. Noble, what answer you got, Noble? Tell me. 10 into 9.8. What do you get? Answer.
And
Wait. No, let Noble say. Noble, give me answer. I think you are not doing anything. You are simply sitting. Are you doing the problem? I don't think. You are just sitting and seeing the class. You cannot study like that. Noble, what is the equation for weight?
ma'am, I got.
Okay, Fizan. Let Noble say. Noble, unmute and tell me, what are you doing there? He is pretending as if he has not heard anything. Anuj, what is the answer, Anuj? Anuj.
Ma'am, 90. Ma'am, I know.
I want Anuj to answer because I can see only the ceiling of Anuj's house, nothing else. Whether he is there, I don't know. I don't know how you all are trying to cheat the teachers for what?
Ma'am, how to put that point? Everyone
Fizam, wait. Let me talk to Anuj. Wait. Anuj, I don't think he is there also. Isha, what's the answer, Isha? Isha Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer of it? Such a simple one. How much time you take to answer?
I know.
I know, Fizan. Wait. Let others also give me answer.
Ma'am, 980.
980. So when you have a decimal over there, what is your answer is going to be?
98.
98 Newton. Okay. Fizan, did you
Yes.
get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is 98 Newton? Because 9.8 into 10, you will get 980. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then when you put a decimal, that 0 will go. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is how we are getting the answer. Okay? Everyone got, I think. We are not even completed. Now we have to find out weight of the object on the moon. Why? Because weight changes everywhere. So I already written weight of the object on the moon is 1/6 of Earth weight. So if you divide the weight of you, suppose you have weight of 200 Newton, you divide your weight with 6, you will get your weight on the moon. Okay? Can you do that, children? So you are getting weight of the object on the moon as 98 divided by 6. Give me the answer, all of you. Do by yourself.
Ma'am, do it.
Simple division it is. You will get in decimal, but still you have to give me answer. Yes, all of you do. Simply sitting will not do in the class. Problem you have to do by yourself. Godwin, Vishnu Shaji, Shifana. Let me take attendance. You do? By the time take attendance.
Am I got?
Yeah, yeah. Everyone finish? Shifana. Sweta is absent today. Roland, Rohan, Raya. Raya has been present. Rachel George is absent. Huh? Meghna, Nabil, Godwin, Krishna, Lena, Salbin, Isha, Eva, Fizan, Godwin, Ashna, Delvin, Ilana, Isha, Aaron, Angela, Susan, Ashna, Andrew. Okay. Maria, how much is the answer you got? Tell me, 98 by 6, how much you got? 98 divided by 6, how much is the weight? There is Maria Salbin, she was here. Maria, are you listening?
Then can I say?
Kisan, you wait, let me ask others. Rachel Boban, what is the answer? What's the answer? 98 by 6, Rachel Boban?
Ma'am,
What is the answer you got?
98 by 6.
19?
Divide.
98 divided by 6. What answer you got?
I'm dividing only.
You have to divide. Now
Am
you are.
I?
This much time I have given. Ilana, what is 98 by 6? You got the answer. What's the answer you got? 98 divided by 6. Meghna, did you do the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
What answer you got, Meghana? Tell me.
16.3.
16 point. Yes. Is that everyone got? Fizan?
Yes, ma'am.
16 point how much?
3.
16
I'm
point?
16.3.
16.3. What about
Children,
others?
3 will fit.
Okay. What about others? All got it? Same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just look at here. An object has a weight. An object has a weight on Earth is 98 Newton. Object has a weight 98 Newton on Earth, but it has a weight on the moon was 16.3. Now understood the difference between gravitational force on the moon and on the Earth. Okay. So that is what the weight is not same, but mass is same. Okay. So we are going to write next question. One more question we will do. An object weighs.
Ma'am, where we get that 6, 98 by 6.
Because according to the discovery, the gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 of Earth gravity. That you have to learn. Okay. That is the discovery we have made. That is Earth gravity you divide with 6. That will give you moon's gravity. Okay. So that's the one. So if you divide Earth gravity, that is 9.8. If you divide with 6, you will get around 1.67. So this much is the moon's gravity. If you divide that 9.8 by 6, because it is meter per second square, you divide that, you will get 1/0.67 meter per second square. Okay. Yeah. So do one more thing. An object weighs, one more question we will do. An object weighs 200 Newton. An object weighs 200 Newton when measured on Earth. When measured on the Earth. What would be its weight? What would be its weight when measured on the surface of the moon? When measured on the surface of the moon. So already weight of the object is given. It's a direct question. You don't have to break your head. An object weighs. That means its weight is 200 Newton. Same way we have to find. That is weight of object on moon. Find out now. 200 by 6. Because Earth gravity, moon's gravity 1/6 of Earth gravity. So that is 200 by 6. You will get very repeated. It's also recurring number. 200 by 6 also recurring number. You get it. Did you get the answer, children? It's very simple one, no?
I'm doing
200 by 3. It's easy, no? 200 by 6. Anyone got the answer who did not tell me so far? Nabil, what answer you got? 200 by 3. What answer you got?
And I got
You got. I will ask you after asking them. What's the answer, Nabil? If I ask a question, your video is gone. Navaneet, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 33.3.
33 point. Did you all get it? Ashna, did you get it? Answer? Ashna, did you get?
33.
Yes. Shifana, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone got it now? Raya, Lana?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So you got the answer 33.3. 33. It is a recurring number, I think. Yeah?
I'm getting reconnecting many times.
Ah.
Ma'am,
That
I'm
is-
getting reconnecting many times.
Okay. No problem.
Network
No
is
problem.
slow.
Yeah. So you will get a recurring number 33.3 Newton. Okay, children. So we are winding up the session now. So by this we completed this chapter. So next class we will start the last chapter. Okay. Thank you.
okay.
And also prepare for a revision test of this chapter. Revision test, no, class test. When you come on next Monday, study this chapter. We will have a MCQ test. MCQ test means class test by me. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.